Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. Glad to see you here. I want to share with you today my own trading experience on IQ option platform, and want you to join this platform, and I suggest you to do that because it's a great tool to make money online, fast, easy, and with low risks. So if you want to join the platform right now, go to the description panel of this video, find the link and pass the registration with a big bonus and discount from my own, and of course I want to share with you how I'm doing it, because everybody need to know that this is a great tool. So you have just two buttons on the platform: buy and sell. Of course there's a lot of other ones, but the main point that you need to choose the price movement. You need to choose which way the price will go. For example, like a minute ago I pressed the higher button, the buy button, and that means that as much the price will be higher than the line of my prediction, as much percent of profit I'm gonna have. Let's see what's happening on other assets. Okay, there's interesting. Let's sell right here for 100 bucks, for example, and here we have 6% of profit. Let's close this deal and reopen it, Here, what do we have? 4%, and it's growing. Let's leave this asset alone. What's in this asset? Also growth. Making the buy. So there's plenty of assets on this platform, 57 available assets that you can trade on for right now, and this is great opportunity to make money. You can choose from 57 open assets in just Forex market. Forex, who don't knows what it is? Forex is one of the biggest markets in the world that trades for billions of dollars daily, and you can buy a piece of this pretty tasty pie. So let's see, still growing. Okay, here the interesting situation and growing. And the point is that you don't have the time limits. You don't have the spot in which, like in binary options, where you need to catch the price movement in the short period. Here you can like wait days, weeks, or you can wait until your asset gonna lose 95%, for example. But of course everybody wants to make a profit, and everybody wants to make extra income based on the investment. I'm using an amount of $100, and actually it's pretty nice that in couple minutes you can get 3 or 4 or 5 or 10 or up to 100% of profit, like in the minutes. This is pretty much great because there's no much ways in internet to make money such fast. You have just a couple minutes, and you have, for example, this asset that was 4% right now is 10%, and it's still growing. I don't want to be greedy, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. Of course, you can see that the price is changing all the time, and you should be ready to close the deal. For example, let's see what's happening here. We pressed the wrong way button. I want to close this position, for example, and reopen it to up movement because the trend is up going, and I'm gonna wait like couple minutes and we'll get my profit. Right here is still growing, and it's absolutely okay. So if you want to try to trade on Forex markets and to get the piece of your own profit, you need to invest some money first of all, of course. Now, first of all, you should go to the description panel of this video and find the link. Get to the platform with the bonuses, course, you'll be able to trade on the practice account first, and when you will get your experience, you can make your first deposit. The minimum amount of deposit is $10. I believe you do have $10, and you can start grow your money even with the small amounts. And this is pretty great and pretty awesome. So you should try that. All the links you can find in the description panel of this video. And let's see, for example, is 9%. Let's wait a little bit. It's gonna grow. And there's an interesting widget right here in the left side of this screen. Buy and sell. All the traders who are available on the platform right now, they're making their decisions. They're pressing the buttons buy or sell. So 51% of traders right now press the buy button, and that means that the crowd thinking that the price will go up. This is very great, and you can use this this tool and this opinion. Of course, there's a lot of indicators, etc., that you can turn on and make your decisions based on indicators if you have in-depth knowledge about the trading, about the platform, and you're not the first time on the platform. If you for the first time on the platform, you can just use this tool, and you can use your own thoughts about the price movement according to, if you scroll out a little bit, you'll get the bigger picture of the movement. And for example, if we catch this point and saw that the price will turn around and go the opposite way, we would have like 20% right now in this spot. But we press the button right here, and right now is 6%. So you don't need to be greedy, but it's interesting to have a profit in minutes with a couple clicks, and this is pretty awesome and pretty great. Let's see what's happening. The price is going up, and I don't see the reasons to stop. Like, I need to price, I need to grow the price, and after that, like, think about it a little bit. 10% of a profit in a minute. It's okay or not? I think that it's pretty okay when you like making your deposit with $100 and making $8 or $10 in a minute. Just sit in front of your laptop or your smartphone on the platform. This is pretty awesome, because in that case you don't need to go to the office, you don't need to like spend time for getting to the office. You can sit just in your couch and making a profit. This is pretty great. I believe that this is pretty great. And if you want to try, go to the description panel of this video, find the link to get to the platform, pass the registration, confirm your email, make your first deposit, and make money. This is pretty awesome. 11%. I think I can close this position with a profit. 12% with a profit. 4%. Doesn't matter. It's profit. Cool. It's happening here. Also 8%, not bad. Even 6. Let's close the position. Okay, we got our profit. We can open it again. For example, trend is up, going, opening. Here the trend is up, going, but it can turn around. But let's buy also. Let's buy. Guys, my advice, do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. Think wise, be careful, but try it for sure. All the useful links on this video. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed and hope this video was useful. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Bye.